Welcome to Kibera, located southwest Nairobi. Kibera is one of the largest urban informal settlements in Africa, with estimates of its population ranging from 250,000 to over 1 million residents. The slum is divided into 13 villages, including Lainsaba, Katwekera, and Soweto, and faces significant challenges regarding sanitation, healthcare, and formal housing. Key details about the settlement. Number 1. Geography. Situated just 5 kilometers from Nairobi city center, it covers an area of roughly 2.5 kilometers. Number 2. Living conditions. Most structures are mud-walled, iron sheet-roofed dwellings with no running water or formal sewage system. Number 3. Community initiative. Numerous local and international NGOs operate in the area, focusing on education, youth employment, and health services like those provided by the AMREF Health Africa program. Number 3, economy. The community is highly entrepreneurial, driven by small-scale businesses, local artisan, and urban farming. The Kibera Affordable Housing Project is a multi-billion shilling slum-eradication initiated by the Kenyan government, designed to replace informal structure with over 25,000 modern high-rise residential units. As of mid-2026, the flagship Soweto East Zone B phase is over 80% complete, constructed via a partnership between the State Department for Housing and Urban Development and Intex Construction Limited. The 7.4 billion Kenyan Shilling Zone B phase features 18 blocks offering 4,054 social housing units aimed directly at low-income households. Available units and official pricing. The project splits inventory between highly subsidized social housing geared towards slum dwellers and standard affordable housing. Studio apartment, 1 room social unit. Total cost 640,000. Tenant purchase scheme 3,800 per month. 1 bedroom social unit, 960,000 Kenyan shillings. Rent per month 5,200. 2 bedroom social unit, 1.2 million Kenyan shillings. Tenant per month 6,500. Studio affordable market, 1 million. Rent per month 7,250. 2 bedroom affordable market, 2 million. Rent per month 14,450. Project infrastructure and local impact. Number 1, integrated amenities. The estate includes a healthcare, a primary school, a kindergarten, commercial spaces, a recreational field like the Undugu playground. Number 2, modern utilities. Structures are supported by built-in storm water system, high-capacity sewer networks, dedicated solid waste facilities, and 2 on-site boreholes. Number 3, job creation. The construction has actively employed over 2,500 local youth and the Jua Kali artisans to manufacture structural components like windows and doors. Progress and final phases. Soweto East Zone B reaching final construction stages. Soweto Zone C and D, enumeration of 13,000 residents, was completed using Makao Bora digital cards, where the government paid each resident 60,000 for a safer eviction. Kibera Southlands Lot 3 and 5, separate standalone high-rise development within the constituency, offering thousands of blended social/affordable units. How to apply and secure allocation. To buy or view active updates of Kibera allocation, register on the government official platform. Number 1, create an profile. Sign up via the Boma Yangu portal or dial *832# on your mobile network. Number 2, select the project, search for the county listing to add Kibera Soweto East Zone B or Kibera Southlands to your property priority wish list. Number 3, save for the deposit. You must accumulate a 10% deposit of your chosen unit's total valuation into your wallet to become eligible for the automated transparent balloting system. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe for more. See you. Bye bye.